Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT in Nardo Gray. This F-150 has the Sport Appearance package. You've got your running boards here, keyless entry door pad, heated mirrors with a blind spot mirror, power window controls, power driver's seat, manual operated passenger seats, both cloth, power adjustable foot pedals, electric e-brake, you have an infotainment screen here with various settings with information about the vehicle, trip and fuel, your towing with towing status and connection checklist, off-road status with power distribution, and various settings such as pre-collision and my key. Cruise controls on the left of the steering wheel, hands-free calling and media controls are on the right. Your Sync 3 sound system has a built-in hotspot, Ford Pass Connect, satellite radio, phone Bluetooth, and many more features. You've got 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low here with a trailer backup assist. Climate controls are located just under the radio controls. 12-volt outlet with a household plug. Auto-dimming rearview mirror up top here. Then you've got your center console shift knob with 2 cup holders. Heading around to the back, you've got your Sport 4x4 badge, paint match rear bumper, rear view camera right below the trailer, the tailgate latch. You do have a built-in tailgate step here. No bed liner in this yet, but you have the option to do a spray-in or a drop-in bed liner. Getting into the back seat, you've got folding up seats here for more storage. They've also got a little design on them here, stitching here. You've got a center console here for the rear passengers. It has 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 USB ports, and another household plug. You've also got 2 electric climate controlled fans, dome light up top, and then you've got 2 hooks up here for hanging clothes or bags or whatever else you may need to hang in the rear of your truck. And back around to the front, paint matched front bumper, halogen headlights with fog lights, turn signals and LED tail lights, metallic gunmetal gray front grille with the Ford logo. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today and talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this Ford F-150.